Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notification panel, expand it, and you'll see this little power key right here, so click on it, and then you want to hold power off. As you can see, it changes into safe mode, so tap again to restart your tablet in safe mode. Downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled to help you troubleshoot your tablet. This does actually a fairly decent job of explaining what this mode is all about, so let's click on it and wait for it to reboot. And there we go. As you can see, now that it's booted back up, you can see there's this safe mode writing at the bottom, and this will stay as long as you are in this mode. Additionally, you can quickly differentiate which applications will run in this mode and which ones will not, because every app that can run looks like, well, normally, and any app that is basically now turned off from running in this mode looks like this. So they're basically monochrome. For some reason, the browser is one of them. So for some reason, the browser is one of them. There we go. So like I said, browser looks to be one of them for some odd reason, even though this is a default application for this device. So yeah, that's kind of weird. Anyway, anything else should be working just fine. If you pull up your app tray, you can see a little bit more comprehensive list of apps that are turned off by just how much grayish you can see. So there's only a handful of apps that will function normally, which are primarily on the first page. Anyway, that is how you would boot into safe mode, from which you can troubleshoot your device if you have some kind of problems. And once you're done troubleshooting it, you can leave this mode by going back to your boot options right here and simply selecting a restart, which will boot the device back up, going back to normal mode. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.